Hey guys, today I decided to wear a hat. So here's my hat. What the fuck? Why is there a cat hat? Cat in the hat. What the fuck? It's nothing. God, Jesus, Cat in the Hat is taking over. He's gonna rule the world. It happened. It happened. It came back. Hats are taking over the world, guys. It's gonna take us over. It's gonna attack the camera. They're all possessed. Possessed by destiny.